Instrumentals. Yo.
Being at this church reminds me of the time that I voted for Barack Obama. And yes, I'm proud of that. I voted for the first black president twice. And I voted right here. This is my voter registration place. This is where I go to vote. But that day in 2012, this parking lot was full of people who was waiting to vote for Barack. It was actually an amazing experience. The line came all the way out that door, all the way down this sidewalk, all the way back, until it just broke into a big pile of people. It was real cool though, man. Unfortunately, I ain't getting no pictures of the outside, but I got a couple pictures on the inside, so, you know what I mean? Y'all gonna be able to see that. Part of the reason that it was so packed, because it wasn't a lot of voting booths. You know what I mean? It wasn't a whole lot, so people had to wait. I remember the date, November 6th, 2012. It was real serious for me, man. And I came back here last year and I voted to legalize marijuana. You know what time it is, so weed is illegal. All I remember is that people waited 2 hours or more to cast their little vote. It was an important time though, man. I don't even think I voted in the Trump election, but I was here for Obama. For some reason, I just felt like that should have been shared. Oh. Those guys got a hard go of it. Cold as it is in a damn blizzard, working. That's what's up. Whatever. Peace.
Instrumentals. Yo.